Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Now, I did do this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's pretty wild move, including what any rational person would say was an impressive bounce, right? I mean, when you stop and think about where the price was at its lows and then how the price has bounced back upwards, like I said, rational person would definitely say, yeah, the price has definitely made a nice bounce. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, yeah, but is there any sort of genuine power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of true strength? Or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce, knee-jerk reaction type movement? I have no idea, but that's what I love about charts is because it makes mapping out this question very straightforward, assuming, of course, we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength. So if a bounce is actually a bounce, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. And that is where this green line comes into play here. That is our progress point right at 290. So stop and think, and I'm not saying this will happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price does actually come back down because nothing can go straight up forever, and then just continues on down. What would you have in this situation? Well, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price right back inside of those lows where it was when it was flirting with those lows earlier on in the day. Whereas on the flip side of things, again, sure, nothing can go straight up, so the price comes down here. However, in this situation, the price behaves like that and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $2.90. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. Just to reiterate, talked about this level on Wednesday, but $3.20 remains that key level to watch going forward. So watch that on Friday and then next week. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Very, very nasty way to start off the day, but the price certainly made a nice bounce. So let's see if the bulls can build upon it or not. Real quick before I go, I'm not going to give you some fancy sales pitch. All I'll say is that if you enjoyed this video, I'm very confident you would get a lot of benefit out of this live class that I am offering. So if you go there to that link, claytrader.com/live, or just see the link in the description area, you can learn more details about when the class actually is. But like I said, it is a live class. There's a live question and answers at the end. So I hope to see you there.